Baboy yarn. Nag-try ako na magpapasok sa ate ko dun sa work nila. And then, 1 week lang ako tumagal. And dun, actually, hindi ko siya nakita dun.
Hindi, joke lang. Ako talaga. Ako yung nakakita sa kanya and then, tinanong ko siya and all. Hanggang saan? Hanggang from there, 7 years later, ito na. Dad, I know how much you love this game. Oh, I will really want to return it. Like an extra bed, who knows how I'll be, but you're not here now. And you left without a trace. Such an unfamiliar place that you have let me say yeah. And I don't know what to do without your crazy love. Without your crazy love, no crazy love.
Dapat gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na mahal kita. And masaya ako kasi sa relationship natin na to. We end up marrying each other.
Talagang pinatunayan ng mahabang panahon ng pagkilala sa isa't isa. Na humantong sa inyong pagpapasya na manumpa sa harap ng Diyos at sa harap ng tao.
So long as yung pagmamahal ninyo sa isa't isa ni Camille ay nananatili, laging magandang samahan, nagre-respetuhan, at ang obligasyon ay hindi pinababayaan, then I think there's no reason why hindi magiging successful ang inyong pagsasama. Life is wonderfully beautiful.
Camille, for 7 years, relasyon natin, katandaan mo naman nun, ayaw na ayaw mo sa akin. Ilang beses akong nag-try manligaw, ayaw talaga. Ewan ko, for some reason, ewan ko, pangit ako or hindi. But still, after that 7 years, tignan mo naman kung nasan tayo. Wheels are in motion. It spins like... Mixed emotions eh. Sobrang mixed emotions. May iyak ka, mapipigilan mo, tapos pag dami mixed emotions. Siguro, mamaya feeling ko talagang mapaburst out ko pag nakita ko na siyang maglakad. Life is wonderfully beautiful.
Magpasalamat sa Diyos kasi nandito na tayo ngayon. Yung pangarap natin. I just want to let you know that I'm so proud of you. At sobrang saya ko kasi sa journey mo na yun, ako yung kasama mo.
Diyos, sinumpa ko yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo forever. With this ring symbolizes that. And I promise na hawakan ko yung vow na yun. Hanggang magkapamilya tayo tumanda. So, love you. Love you.
Han, be happy. Love you.
Thank you pa.
It's true. I've waited for you.
Maraming times na due to work, kaaway namin yan, pinag-aawayan namin everything, lagi. Pero eventually naman, yun nga, after 7 years, ito pa rin kami, di ba? Tapos simbahan na yung naging ending.
Thank you for always choosing to stay despite of all my shortcomings. Always know that I'm always here for you no matter what. I will always be your #1 fan. I will never get tired of cheering you when you're down. At mahal na mahal kita.